how to fix messages not sending on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Mustad, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix messages not sending on iPhone. Now there are a few steps that you can try in order to fix if your message is not being able to send on iPhone. First thing is to restart your iPhone. If you're on the iPhone device, you can simply go ahead and restart your device itself. Now if the restarting doesn't help you, then you want to make sure that you have checked your network connection. You want to make sure that you are connected to your proper network connection. If you're trying to message online or if you're trying to message offline using your iMessages, then you want to make sure that the particular network provider service doesn't have any error currently, and you want to see that if there is no glitch on the network connection itself. Now if you're trying to send it as an MMS, then you want to make sure you have proper internet connection, as I've told you before. And if you're trying to send group MMS messages on an iPhone, you want to simply head over to settings. Under settings, you want to head into messages and you can turn on MMS messaging. So if you're trying to send a MMS there, so these are the ways that you can fix messages not sending on iPhone. Now the other way is you can check with your network provider to see if the type of message you are trying to send, such as MMS or SMS, is supported as well. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.